Živijo, smo iz osnovne šole Podgora Kuteževo in sodelujemo v programih UNESCO biosfernega območja Kras in porečja reke v Sloveniji.
This year's research work in the celebration of Women's Days was how people predicted weather in the past. We asked elders of our biosphere reserve how they did it.
Katere živali so napovedovale vreme? Kako?
Močeradi so prišli ven, nekadar je imelo tudi tako vremevid, pa ker je dež padal. Tako da smo zmerom rekli, da bo dež, kadar smo videli močerada.
There is no quality education if you don't know your roots and your land. The work that we do in our network of schools is interdisciplinary. It combines both cultural and natural aspects of life in the Biosphere Reserve. The work that we do with the students we feel is really important because the children are our future.
Moje biosferno območje je ponosno, da deli to izkušnjo.
Harenci rečejo, yes!